Good morning or good afternoon po, sir. My name is Jan Medical Jinko and I'm from VSIT2 and I'm here to show you yung assignment 5 namin, which is yung napagawa nyo po at middle name and last address is dun sa MS Access and Eclipse. So in here, nag-add lang ako po ng another um, mga mga field, mga J-label. So in here, nag-add ako po ng middle name as well as address. Here, address. Then, naglagay ako din po dito yung get text po. Then, as well as in here. So, pakita na natin po para lang makita nyo po yung gumagana siya. So, run as, information, register, sabihin natin Benedict, password 1234, 234, first name, Jan Benedict, middle name, Lansang, last name, Jinko, mail, tapos 2005, 9, September 29. Tapos, address model, community. Register. Successful. So, Benedict. Tapos, 1, 2, 3, 4. Login. Successful. Logout. Let's add another one para lang makita natin na gumagana talaga siya. Actually, no. Let's first open yung file po. Ayan po. So, let's add another one. Julius. QWER. First name is Julius. Middle name is Yulong. Tapos last name is Santos. He's a male. Tapos in address for successful Julius UWER. Again, log out. Been logged out. Tapos tignan natin po dun sa file. And there you go. And po, middle name and address. So, yun lang pa. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.